A great new enhancement for Mastercam 2024 from multi-axis toolpaths is the ability to view colored geometry selection on the graphics window. Selected entities such as machining geometry, cut pattern, and collision control elements will be colorized. This will help users quickly visualize what geometry is being used in their toolpaths, showing if the selected geometry is what they want, or shows any geometry that is missed. Let's go into Mastercam and see the new graphical preview elements. Here we have a unified toolpath that is machining some of the inner surfaces on this part. Let's go into parameters and look at the geometry used. Under our cut pattern, we can see the green surfaces were selected as machining geometry, and the solid edges are colored blue as our drive curves. We can change the colors of the geometry to better differentiate entities as well. Just click on the color icon and we can change a second morph curve to another color. We can also change our machining geometry's color by clicking its color icon. Wireframe drive curves also get colored as well. Let's reselect the two drive curves with the upper and lower wireframe chains and see that those get highlighted as well. The collision control page was rearranged for Mastercam 2024. In addition to displaying our machining geometry, avoidance geometry will also be displayed as well. Let's add another collision control strategy. We can uncheck machining geometries and go select some additional faces. And we can see that it is now colored purple when we exit this dialog. Up next to the display graphical elements, there is a drop-down that allows you to only highlight geometry on the current selection page. We can turn this back on and see all relevant geometry. Additionally, geometry in collision control now has an entity counter for users to keep track of their selection. If we select the fillets that was also used for machining geometry, the color of the selection will receive the color of the active page. Display graphical elements is available in other multi-axis toolpaths as well. Let's take a look at the deburr operation. We have the entire part selected as our machining geometry, the defined edges, and the fixture bolts are shown as avoidance geometry. Colored graphical elements display for multi-axis toolpaths in Mastercam 2024 are a great improvement for users to visualize their selection entities. Being confident that all the relevant surfaces are selected means more time saved before verifying your part surfaces are finished and creating a gouge-free toolpath.